They just own stuff. You really think, and think about this. They said that the average American family's wealth went from 742,000 in 2019 to over a million in 2022. You think that they just started working harder? You think their incomes really went up that much? No, their assets did this. It's like they're riding on a motorcycle and the motorcycle was going 200 miles an hour. And all you got to do is put your foot on the gas pedal. You didn't have to do nothing. They didn't run harder than you. They just position themselves in a different way from where we're trained to position ourselves. But it's a massive factor in determining how fast your wealth grows and whether you can actually keep up with the economy. You cannot keep up with this economy if you are just a worker who owns no assets. Do you understand? You cannot keep up with the rapid growth of wealth in this economy if you are just a worker and you own no stock and no real estate. It is almost impossible, because your wages are not going to go up fast enough to keep up with that increase in wealth. Here's another thing that they said about families that are in this category. They paid off their debts. They don't like a lot of debt. They started refinancing the debt.